Hello friends, welcome back to my channel where we learn different languages. And today in this lecture, we are going to proceed further with our pronouns lecture series. As you know, in previous lectures, we have learned so far possessive pronouns, personal pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. But now, today in this video, we are going to learn demonstrative pronouns. So before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the like and subscribe button to keep you updated and keep you connected with me. So let's get started. The first demonstrative pronoun we have is this. This. In Spanish, we say este or esta, depending on the gender. Este is used for masculine gender and esta is used for feminine gender. And in Hindi, we say ye. Ye. And in Urdu, we say ye, which is written as like this. And let's take the example of este and esta. For example, if we say this friend, we say este amigo. Este amigo. And if we use esta, we say this female friend. We say esta amiga. Esta amiga, este amigo and esta amiga. Now, the next pronoun is these, the plural of these. And in Spanish, we use estos or estas. Estos or estas, depending on the gender. And in Hindi and Urdu, we say ye. Ye. And same in Urdu, which is written as ye. Now let's take the examples of estos and estas. For example, if we say these friends, these friends, we say estos amigos. Estos amigos. If we say these female friends, so we say estas amigas. Estas amigas. And in the same way, we say ye and ye in Hindi and Urdu. So now the next demonstrative pronoun we have is that. That. And in Spanish, we use ese or esa. Ese or esa. And in Hindi, we say wo. Wo. And in the same way, we say wo in Urdu, which is written as wo. Let's take the example of ese and esa. Like if we say that friend, we say ese amiga, ese amigo, ese amigo. And if we say that female friend, we say esa amiga. Esa amiga. Depending on the gender, we use ese or esa. And now the next pronoun is those, which is plural form of that. And for this in Spanish we use esos or esas. Esos or esas. And in Hindi we use the same wo, and same in Urdu, which is written as wo. Now let's take the example of esos or esas. Like if we say those friends, we say esos amigos. Esos amigos. And if we say those female friends, we say esas amigas. Esas amigas. So now the next demonstrative pronoun is that for over there. That for over there. And in Spanish we say aquel or aquella. Aquel or aquella. And in Hindi we say wo. Wo. The same is written in Urdu like this, wo. Now let's take the example of akel. But before that, let me clear it that that over there in Spanish is used like if we say that is a boy, there is standing a boy, we say that is a boy. But there is another boy standing beyond that boy, we say the boy over there. So for that over there, we use this akel or akeja. Now let's take the example. If we say that that boy over there, we say aquel, aquel chico, aquel chico, the boy over there, that boy over there. If we say that girl over there, we say aquella chica, aquella chica. So now the next demonstrative pronoun is those over there, those, the plural form of that, those over there, those over there. And for those over there in Spanish we use aquellos or aquellas. Aquellos or aquellas. And in Hindi and Urdu we use same wo and wo in Urdu. Now let's take the example of aquellos or aquellas. Like if we say those boys, those boys over there, we say aquellos chicos, aquellos chicos. And if we say those girls over there, we say aquellas chicas. Aquellas chicas. Now, let me tell you that there are some neutral demonstratives in Spanish, which are esto, eso, and aquello. Now, look at their examples, like how to use these in Spanish. Like if we say, ¿qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? For ¿qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? That means, what is this? What is this? What is this? And for eso, we say, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? That means, what is that? What is that? And how to use aquello in Spanish? Like, aquello fue bueno. Aquello fue bueno. That means that was good. Aquello fue bueno, that was good. That was good. So that's all for today's lecture. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care and bye.